Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to earn $300 by typing names online, and this is as easy and incredible tutorial. The questions is about 1. Name of website. Point 2. About website and how it work. Point 3. How to start. Point 4. No website and no skills. 1. Name of website. Go to Google and search website name Squad Help and enter in website now. Words written in first page. Find perfect name for your brand, website, business or service. Get start and read their terms and conditions. 2. About website and how it work. So this website is for those people who write incredible and most interesting names of brands. Click on Get Started and make an account on that website. Put your first and second name and email. And first create your public profile. Secondly, view tips for contests. Thirdly, view code of conduct. In fourth part, find and watch a contest, and in last part, submit your first entry in your contest. That's the 5 thing, you must complete that things to participate in contest and in money. 3. How to start. After completing your verification process and entering in contest. Make your first contest by entering contest type, contest title, type of business and additional details. By putting these, choose your word and submit it. When user enter in website and check that title and brand name if he or she buy it from that website. You will earn good amount from that process. 4. No website and no skills. If you have no website or no skills, you can also earn easily. There are different topics and titles available in YouTube videos you can watch and practice it easily. And you can earn great amount without having any skills. It's very easy process to earn money easily, and this is a long time process. If you like this video, please watch all other videos about how to earn money, Android apps, Android games and mobile tip. Don't forget to like video, share, comment, subscribe.